Hello kids, welcome to Shri Academy online classes. So today we are going to study about seeds. So what are seeds? Seed is a basic agriculture input and is an embryo. That means seed is a basic agriculture input which consists an embryo. That embryo is embedded in a food stored tissue. Means that embryo is covered with a food stored tissue. Seed is also defined as a manufactured oval which consists of an embryo plant. That means seed can also be defined as an ovule that consists of food store plant and a protective seed coat. A seed is always protected by a protective seed coat. So let's see the elements of seeds. There are 4 elements. First is germination, root and stem, seedling, and pollination. So first we will know the process of seeds. Seed. The seed is planted in the soil. First of all, we have to plant the seed into the soil. Then second is germination. The seed is grow into a spout, that is known as germination. When a seed grow into a spout, that process is known as germination. Then third one is root and stem. The root continues to grow to the downwards and the stem pushes it the way to the soil surface. Means the root always grow to the downward surface and the stem always grow to the upward surface of the soil. Third one is seedling. The seedling grows out of the ground, the stem means, and the leaves grow towards the sunlight. Whenever they get sunlight, the leaves grow towards that direction. That is known as seedling. Fourth process is pollination. The plant grows towards the flower, that is known as pollination. The flower are polluted by bees and animals by the winds, and then again it makes the seeds. Now let's see the process of seed with the graphic. First is germination. What is germination? When a seed is sown into a moist soil, it begins to grow. This process is known as germination. It occurs into the following steps. First is the seed coat split, means the seed coat comes out. A tiny root grow downward and a shoot grow upwards. Means as we know that root always grow to the downwards and the stem always grow to the upward surface of the soil. This process a seedling of a plant usually ultimately grows into a new plant. Means by this usually a new plant grows. After some time the plant bears a flower. The flowers produce fruits and the fruits have seeds in it. So that this is the seed. All seed can germinate when sown in the moist soil under the suitable condition to produce new plants. Then when winds comes, then these all seeds throw into the ground. By nature or man-made process, these seeds are sown into the ground again and then it how they move. So I think that you all get understand. Thank you.